I just bought the Kmart Easy Liner in white because all of our cupboards are white inside. I will need to go back and get more because I've run out and I've got a lot more cupboards to do, but it was 2 meters. That was pretty good, and that was only $5, so that's pretty good value. And I got the 30 centimeter wide one because some of our cupboards are a bit narrow. But yeah, we'll be both hitting Kmart up again. What a shame. Sorry, Garrick. I opened up the van and it was definitely not as hot as what I was expecting it to be. It must be so well insulated. Yeah, didn't even need to put the aircon on. We will be having lunch in here today. Go.